When it comes to home improvement projects, homeowners often focus on major renovations such as kitchen remodels or bathroom upgrades. However, one area that is often overlooked but can make a significant impact on the overall look and feel of a home is upgrading the decorative hardware. From door handles and cabinet knobs to towel racks and curtain rods, upgrading these small details can elevate the style and functionality of your home. In this video, we will explore the benefits of upgrading your home's decorative hardware and how it can transform your living space. One of the most obvious benefits of upgrading your home's decorative hardware is the enhancement it brings to the overall aesthetic appeal. Whether your home has a modern, traditional, or eclectic style, choosing hardware that complements the existing decor can make a world of difference. Sleek and contemporary handles can modernize a space, while ornate and vintage-inspired knobs can add a touch of elegance. By selecting hardware that aligns with your personal taste and style, you can transform the look and feel of any room. While decorative hardware is primarily focused on aesthetics, upgrading it can also enhance the functionality of your home. For instance, replacing outdated drawer pulls with ones that have a more ergonomic design can make daily tasks in the kitchen much more comfortable and efficient. Similarly, installing towel hooks instead of towel bars in the bathroom can maximize space and make towel hanging easier. Upgrading your hardware not only improves the overall appearance, but also increases the practicality and usability of your spaces. Furthermore, investing in high-quality decorative hardware can significantly increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are often drawn to properties that showcase attention to detail and high-end finishes. Upgraded hardware is a relatively inexpensive way to add a touch of luxury and sophistication to your home, increasing its appeal to potential buyers. When it comes time to sell, your upgraded hardware can set your home apart from others on the market and potentially add value to your asking price. Upgrading your home's decorative hardware is one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to update your living space. Unlike major renovations that can be time-consuming and require professional assistance, replacing hardware can be a simple DIY project. Most hardware items come with straightforward installation instructions, and with basic tools, you can easily swap out old hardware for the new. Additionally, should you wish to update your hardware in the future, it can easily be done without much hassle or expense. Moreover, upgrading your home's decorative hardware allows you to create a cohesive design throughout your space. By selecting hardware that matches or contrasts appropriately with other elements in a room, such as lighting fixtures or faucets, you can establish a sense of unity and harmony. Cohesive design creates a more visually pleasing environment and gives your home a polished and put-together feel. If you have older furniture or fixtures that are still in good condition but look outdated, upgrading the decorative hardware can breathe new life into them. By swapping out old handles or knobs for something modern and stylish, you can transform the entire look of a piece. This is a cost-effective way to update your interior without the need to invest in new furniture or fixtures. Upgrading your home's decorative hardware may be a small detail, but it can have a significant impact on the overall look and feel of your living space. From enhancing aesthetic appeal and functionality to adding value to your home and rejuvenating old furniture, the benefits are abundant. So, whether you're planning a major home renovation or simply looking to refresh your living space, don't overlook the power of upgrading your home's decorative hardware. It's an investment that pays off in both style and functionality. Be sure to like this video and click to subscribe to see more content.